Bike or skateboard?
Bike.
Bike.
Skateboard.
Rugby or football?
Football.
Football.
Rugby.
Rice or chips?
Chips.
Rice.
Chips all the way.
Rihanna or Cheryl Cole?
Rihanna.
Cheryl Cole.
Rihanna.
Xbox, PlayStation or Wii?
Wii.
Xbox.
Wii.
Spend more money on hospitals or leisure centres?
Hospitals.
Definitely hospitals.
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 More roads or better rail links?
More roads.
Better rail links.
Rail links.
I'd say more roads.
Green fields or more housing?
More housing.
Green fields.
Greenfields.
Green fields.
Greenfields.
Voting's easy, we do it every day. In 2011 you'll have two opportunities to vote in Wales, a referendum on the Assembly's powers on the 3rd of March and the Assembly election on the 5th of May, when there'll also be a referendum on how MPs are elected. To find out why your vote counts and to register, go to www.vote2011.org.